Welcome students. Now we'll try and write a program for shifting numbers in the given array on the right side by one position cyclically. Take an example, we have array of 5 numbers with some values 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to just shift the numbers on the right side by one position in the array. That is 4 should become second element, 5 should become third element, 6 should become fourth element, and so on. And the last element should be stored into first location. So you can see over here, after shifting, 4 has gone to second location, 5 into third, 6 will become fourth, 7 become 5, and 8 will be stored in the 0th location. And that is what we want to achieve. Now how we can do this? I hope you know something about one-dimensional arrays and then how to write simple programs with them. Let's discuss it. We have A as an array with A0, A1, A2, A3, A4. Values are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now to shift the numbers on the right side, what you can do, put A0 into A1, A1 into A2, A2 into A3, A3 into A4, and A4 should go into 0th location. Generally, if it was a big array, we can generally say every ith value should be copied into I plus 1 location. That is, for example, I is 0, then 0 should go into first location. Same way, first into second, second into third, and so on. Now the problem is that given I is 4, we cannot shift 4th into 5th. So that will be a problem. Fine. Solution is, we'll define one more variable x, keep that last number aside, then shift all the numbers from 0 to last on the right side, and then store this x in the 0th location. And that is how array will be shifted by one location. Now let's try and write a program for this. Now we'll not be writing complete program. Let's see only the shifting part, how we can do this. Again, we are assuming this is an array and we want to shift numbers on the right side. So what we discussed, first you have to put the last number aside, that we are doing by this. Then you have to put 0 to last number, all numbers on the right side by one location, and then put the x value into 0th location. Now this shifting is done by this for loop. Let's see the working of the program. Okay, the first step is x is equal to A4. So 8 is stored into x, then variable I starts the loop, I is 0, condition is true, it goes inside and puts 0th value into first value. So 0th copied into first. See what is exactly happening. I becomes 1, condition is true, this time A1 copied to A2. So A1, which is 4, copied into A2. Oh, what is happening over here? Is it shifting or something different? Let's go forward. I becomes 2, it copies 2 into 3. So again 2, which is 4, copied to 3. Again I becomes 3, condition is true, it copies A3 into A4, so it becomes 4. What is happening over here? The entire array is with values 4 only, and all these 5, 6, 7, 8 are lost. Okay, after loop stops, it just copies 8 in the first location. So I got only 8 in the 0th location, other all elements are just lost and overwritten by 4, 4, 4 everywhere. So that is a mistake. So when we discussed, it was fine, but now when we wrote the program, it is wrong. And to understand this, you have to really see the logic. And that's what sometimes happens with the student. Student thinks some logic, write some logic in exams, and that becomes wrong. Each and every program you have to really understand carefully, see whether it's really working or no with the example, and understand the logic. To get the answer of this problem and to get the answer of so many such problems which can go wrong in exams, you can watch all our videos, subscribe in 5 minutes, get the entire set of videos of this subject, and understand the subject thoroughly with all the problems done with examples. Thank you.